Sheenstar Technology Company Limited, established in 2010, is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of whole beverage production line. Includes water treatment system, filling and afterpacking system, and bottle blowing system. With our machines, bottles can be plastic bottle, glass bottle, barrels and cans, and the liquid can be water, carbonated drink, juice, oil and wine. Bottle size can be 200 milliliter small bottle to 10-liter big bottle, and 5-gallon barrel. In other words, we can produce machines according to client's requirement, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Selling well in China, our products are also exported to clients in North America, South America, Eastern Europe, Southeast Asia, Africa, Mid-East, Eastern Asia, Western Europe, and South Asia, over 100 countries. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001, CE, and SGS certificates. We can supply stable, high-quality machines and professional after-sales services. We normally provide 12 months warranty and 12 months wear-out spare parts. Engineers are available to go to customers' factory and install machines, teach them the way to use and maintain the machines. We are located in Leihui Tam, Zhangjiagang City, with convenient transportation. Welcome to visit our factory and hope to cooperate with you.